What's going on, guys? It's Zedia, and we're here playing some more Skywars alone because I have no friends, and so yeah. Well, we're playing Skywars, so we're gonna play some rush mode, and I thought I might try a glitch that I've seen. Oh crap! Someone's already here. They can die. And there's a refill already. Great. More items that I have to worry about. Really? Oh, and there's this guy. Oh, nope. Oh, well then. So, we're in this one. I have the hiccups, and I just coughed, and that didn't go very well, so I might have the hiccup. I might have the hiccups now. Alright. Oh gosh. Hiccups are not good. Especially during videos. Well then. Get back here. Half a heart. Half a heart. And I'm dead. Oh great. Skywars with hiccups. So you know what? Screw the whole thing where I'm doing the thing. I have the hiccups, so I can't do it anymore. And plus, I don't know which maps. Oh. I think they've stopped. No, they're back. They're still here. Great. Oh gosh. Where'd everyone go? Oh, this guy's still here, huh? Well, now he's not. Oh, and chest refill. Oh gosh. No. That could have been devastating to my entire humanity. That also is. I'm telling you, it's the hiccups. See, I'm not actually bad. It's just the hiccups. Oh gosh, what is this? Oh great, there's already people at my island. Oh, what the? Whoa, no, where'd you come from? Whoa. What's going on? Help me. I have a problem. You see, I have the hiccups, and I'm bad at PvP. So you see, when you're bad at PvP plus the hiccups, it's just, it turns out to be a great video, whether people like it or not, so. No. Oh, well, a hiccup for that. Hooray. Oh gosh, why do I have the hiccups? I don't help save me, someone, please. Oh my gosh. Oh, why do I have the hiccups? Someone help me. I need mental health. This is gonna kill me. And he's dead. No, he got all the mid loot. It's okay. All chests have been redone. So now I have a chance of winning. Okay, that's thorns, and this is projectile projections, so I'm gonna keep thorns. Why not go kill? Nope. Guess we're not killing that guy today. How many pearls did I have to use for this? Come fight me wherever you are. Oh,